our cladding. And then when we do our bracing, we can do also purlin connection. So we can start with adding the wall bracing on one side. So the first thing, the all cladding, not bracing, the wall cladding on one side. So the first thing or the first you need to note is the XY plane should be on that side, the particular side that you want to add your cladding. So I will just rotate this. First move it to this point. I want to move it to this point, and then I can just right click, and then I want to rotate axis. I want to rotate Y axis. So the Z should be looking that way, because you can see this one is checked orthogonally. So the XY plane is on that side. Now we can just come and add cladding, add cladding area. Do you want to select supporting beam? I can say yes, select this column, enter, then rectangle, from that end, and then we can go to create cladding, and then select the cladding area, and then hit enter. Now the cladding orientations are not accurate because they are running this way. Instead, they should be running up and down. So I will change the cladding general property and go to cladding direction, and then say horizontal. Change from vertical to horizontal. So they should be just like that. Now you can see what I'm trying to say here. The next, we're going to add the cladding at the top. I want to select my UCS. Just move it. I will uncheck here now because this one is not orthogonal. There's an angle here, so just do that, and then I want to rotate about y-axis so that the xy plane will be on that angle. Then I can just holding that position, right click, then rotate axis about y again. Now I want Z to be from that corner to this corner. Now I still need to rotate about. So let me move this one from that to this particular corner. Then again rotate, because axis y, and then the position should be there. Then I want the xy plane is not in that orientation, it's in the wrong. So I want again to rotate about y now using this option, and then just click here. Okay, now the xy plane is correct. Now we can come and add our cladding area. Supporting beam, I can just say yes. Supporting, my rafter is supporting beam rectangular. From that point all the way to that edge, and then activate create cladding. select cladding area and then hit enter. And then the orientation horizontal, because I want my cladding to be that way. Now, what is the issue here? We can just pick, right click, advanced property. I want advanced property for my cladding. From top, offset in Z. Offset in Z. Now my offset in Z, I can just increase it from 0 to -5. Okay, because you can see my cladding were just having a crash with the purlins. We can just right click, select similar. I want to mirror 3D, mirror 3D. Make sure for orthogonal cursor is locked. Then all right click, select similar, mirror 3D. Okay, this will not work on my case, and so you just need to model for this side. So let me model for this one side. I can just go. We need first to change our UCS. I will move this UCS. I'll move it here. Okay, there's a crash here. We can solve that later. Let's just start by adding the cladding and right click inside, change it to world. So our UCS is here. Then I want my XY axis to be facing the face where I want to add my cladding. So I will need to rotate about X. So this one, it rotates by 90 degrees. That's why I can just use it after I have done the orientation properly. Now I'll put it at this edge. Okay, we can add cladding area. No, rectangular. From that point all the way to that point, and then I'm going to add now create cladding by selecting this cladding area, enter. The orientation here now is okay because they are moving that way, so I'm not going to change the orientation. The thing I'm going to do here is to do advanced trim extend. So in tools, just scroll down, select advanced extend. I want to extend Using system, I will pick all these claddings, all my claddings and my rafter, hit enter, and then select the cladding that I want to extend, then hit enter. This is member to be extended, enter. This is the next member, enter, enter. Next member, enter. The next member, enter. The next member, enter. The next member, hit enter. Okay, now for this other side, we can just again do extended advanced extend trim. I want extend systems. Starting from here, just pick all my claddings and pick my rafter and hit enter. Members to be extended, I will pick the first, enter. Okay, the second, I'm picking another object on the other side, that's why it's not working. Enter. Let me pick the next. Okay, let me just repeat the process. So we can just select these lines, these that show the particular connection, and then select similar, right click, isolate, hide. Okay, I'm going to repeat the process. Advanced extend, trim, select extend, using systems, all these, and then my rafter, then hit enter. Pick the first, enter, second, enter, enter, click enter, click enter, click enter. So even the last you should extend because it's not exact in the correct position. So advanced trim, extend, systems, select and select my rafter and then hit enter, select that, enter. So that is my model. Of course, this was a warehouse, a very long warehouse, going all the way to about I think 256 feet. So this is just for demonstrations. And you can see, of course, my claddings. These are my claddings by what we have automatically generated from advanced steel. You can see. So it depends. So that marks the end of my video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. You follow the same procedure for the remaining sides.